Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to make a 3D peacock with some dollar store materials and craft materials. These are all the items I got from dollar store for making this. I'm going to keep both the balls like this and put a cellophane tape to make the body of the peacock. For the neck part, I cut the steel wire and made it into this shape. See, this is the steel wire that I cut and I have made to this shape so that this gets below the bowl and this will look like the neck, and I'm going to attach a head over here. I'll show you how I'm doing this. You can attach by using the cellophane tape once again. Now, to give more definition to the neck part, I am going to wrap the neck part with a piece of old cloth. See, this is how it is now. Now I am going to wrap this part with a piece of old cloth to give some definition. So I am putting cellophane tape all around so that this will be in place when we wrap it around with the blue woolen thread. So I am just securing the whole cloth with the cellophane tape. So this is done. Now for the head part, I'm going to use the floral foam which I got from dollar store. This is a round shaped foam material. So I'm going to use this for the head. Yeah. Now I'm going to wrap this whole thing with the blue woolen yarn that I got from the dollar store. So after this is done, you can just take the steel wire and just make a U like this and secure the thread with this U pin so that the thread doesn't come out. Go. I am adding more material or old cloth here to give more definition to the shape of the peacock. Secured it tight with the cellophane tape, and again I'm going to wrap this body part with this thread. Done with covering the whole body of the peacock with the blue thread. I'm going to secure the blue thread with the cellophane tape. I'm going to do at the below part. I will put a cellophane tape over here. See, I have already put one. This is the end of the thread. So same way I'm going to put cellophane tape over at the back to secure the thread tight. We are done with the base. Now I'm going to add this for the beak of the peacock. I just made this with the help of the steel wire, and I'm going to finish it by wrapping this orange thread around it like this, and just going to pin here. So 2, 1, go. For the eyes, I did some paper cutting like this, and I'm going to hot glue the same in my motif. I got this material from Joann, so I'm going to be using it as the side wings. In both the sides, I'm going to attach this with hot glue gun. So this is the way I'm going to attach. With this Joann material, I made these pieces. I cut the steel wire and then I hot glued this material in the top like this. I'll show you. Cut the excess, and I'm going to attach these pieces in the head. Now I will be attaching these feathers that I got from Amazon. I'm just going to attach like that. So I have attached these many, and I still this much left. So the way I am attaching, I'm just inserting, that's it. We are finally done with our 3D peacock project. These feathers give a natural look. This does not cost much. This is somewhere around $8 in Amazon. I have added the link in my description box for those feathers. And this material also, you do not need to buy a big chunk of material. It's just not even half or quarter yard is fine to just have that glittery look in the body of the peacock. So hope you like this project. I'll just show you the whole thing. Once again, you can hot glue it before even wrapping the blue thread. That is also fine. But I'm going to use the feathers for my other projects. That's why I have not permanently attached it. So this is how the project is finished. Hope you all like this project. Please subscribe to my channel for more beautiful ideas.